Namaste.
Okay, take your chair.
Thank you.
So this is your second time, no?
Yes.
Your name?
Amarendra Swami.
Amarendra Sai.
Yes.
Okay. Today, I would like to listen. What is your introduction about you?
Sir, my name is Amarendra Swami. I belong to Jagatsinghpur. Later I did my schooling. Then I did my 10th plus 2 from Ravenshaw Junior College, Cuttack. And my graduation from Stuart Science College. And my masters from FM University, Balesar. So this is going to be my first attempt in OPC and my first interview.
What was your subject and course of using?
Sir, physics.
A student of physics.
Yes.
Okay, how do you think that this physics can contribute something towards while working as an administrative officer?
Yes, sir, definitely. The way administration, the use of technology is also a part of 5T initiative of Government of Odisha. And also, sir, the way digitization, administration has been digitized. And the various schemes like Mo Sarkar, 5T are implementing at the grassroots level. So, as a coming from a science background, I think it can help me in the administration process.
So what is the contribution of the Jagatsinghpur district in our freedom struggle?
Sir, mostly the freedom struggle from Jagatsinghpur, like the Gopan Chaudhary and Rama Devi, Mala Devi, had a pivotal role in the Salt Satyagraha in 1930, in the civil disobedience movement. And the Alaka Ashram was also established near Jagatsinghpur, which acted as the epicenter of freedom movement in Cuttack, and then undivided Cuttack.
So what is unique about that literacy is very high in Jagatsinghpur district?
Yes, nearly 86%.
Yes, continue.
Yes,
what
sir.
is the reason behind that?
Sir, the high literacy rate in our district. So the basic educational facilities are highly implemented at the grassroots levels. Basically, the primary schools, secondary schools, and the high standard teachings in our district. So it also shows that the citizens of Jagatsinghpur are highly aware about the importance of education in their life.
That was not our point of interest. Our point of interest is Jagatsinghpur was part of old Cuttack district.
Yes, sir.
But Jagatsinghpur has achieved the highest literacy.
Yes.
In the Cuttack district itself.
Yes.
So itself Cuttack district is not having that literacy also.
Yes.
So what is that uniqueness of that district? That is what who you can share with us. We do not know that answer.
Sir, what I think, in my opinion, it is a very plain, fertile area, agriculturally highly developed, and the transportation facility is the roads, village roads especially, are well connected. So student can easily access to their primary schools and higher secondary schools. I think this is the main reason where the high literacy rate in our district.
Okay. Now what are the rivers of your district?
The major rivers are Mahanadi, and various distributaries of Mahanadi like Katirodi, Devi, Bilwakai.
What are your options?
My options are geography and sociology.
Geography and sociology.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Amarendra.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell some of the Odisha government program exclusively for the women empowerment?
So first, SSG, the Mission Shakti,
Yes.
which will working on the women empowerment at the grassroots level. Government is financing women to develop their social infrastructure, really to empower to various, just like MSME sector, they can implement various works in just like the Khadi or coir boards. And second is named the Mamta Yojana. Government providing 5,000 through DBT through women's account for their women's health and their nutritional values.
Okay, please recheck the amount. But
Yes.
Amarendra, there is a special department called the Mission Shakti department under the Odisha government that is created just recently.
Yes.
only to look after the welfare of the Mission Shaktis, and where 17 lakh Mission Shaktis groups are there in Odisha. And in every mission group there is a Mission Shakti group, there are minimum 10 numbers of the members consisting of the women only. And government is also providing field money of the 2 lakhs to each group for their economic activity, and for the economic activity, and also government is linking their products to the national and international markets. So e-market facility and the local exhibition market facility are also being provided to each Mission Shakti group, so that they can strengthen themselves economically and so that their family can be also benefited from this. Mrityunjay, can you suppose you are from which district?
Jagatsinghpur.
Okay, Jagatsinghpur. Suppose you become the sub-divisional magistrate of Jagatsinghpur district. What will be your vision of just taking some of the measures of good health, providing good health to all the people in the rural areas?
Basically, I will ensure the implementation of public distribution services, PDS schemes, in which there will be all the marginalized sector of the society will be included. PDS scheme, and then
I told about the health sector, that is PDS public distribution system, that is related to the food security system, for providing food security to the people. But I am talking about the health sector, giving good health facilities, medical facilities to each of the people in rural areas. What will be your strategies?
first of all, I will try to ensure strengthening the primary health sector in rural areas. And madam, what I think, ASHA and Anganwadi workers needs to be properly, adequately trained, so they can provide the basic health amenities to the rural peoples.
What is the function of the ASHA? Those who are now deployed in the village health system, ASHA?
Sorry ma'am, actually I am not aware of their exact functions.
Okay, till you can also tell something.
But still, what I know, they assist pregnant women to carry to their hospitals during their deliveries. This is what I know.
Okay, tell. Then what measures you will take? You will train the ASHAs and Anganwadi workers in a better way. Then
The strengthening of the primary healthcare centers, and I think the ASHAs and the basic medicines. ASHAs should have the provided with basic medicines so they can distribute to the rural peoples.
okay. Then the infrastructure facilities, that is well enough in our Jagatsinghpur district, medicals, hospitals, the testing laboratories. Do you think they are sufficient in Jagatsinghpur?
The government ensures better medical facilities at the grassroots levels, but I think government should also allocate more funds, and there needs to be better facilities.
What
Just
about
like-
the doctors ratio and the population ratio? Whether the doctors are in good numbers at Jagatsinghpur district?
Actually, I am not exactly aware of the number, but in India particularly, the ratio is 1:2,800 something. I am not exactly aware of the number, but it should be ideally 1:2,000 as per the WHO norms.
Your village, how far is the hospital distance from your home?
Yes, ma'am. It is actually 8 kilometers. Ma'am.
8 kilometers.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there are good numbers of doctors having the testing facilities and all these things.
Yes, ma'am. This is adequate number of doctors are there in Kujang medical.
Okay, you have taken double dose of the COVID vaccine.
Yes, ma'am.
You have taken from your village medical center or where?
No, I have taken it here in Bhubaneswar.
Bhubaneswar.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, could you tell something about the significance of the Puri temple, Sri Jagannath temple?
Puri is the epicenter of Hindu culture. It is also known as Srikshetra. And recently, government of Odisha has initiated a program called Abada
Yes.
to modernize Puri and its basic amenities. And recently, Puri became the world's first city to provided with what tap water connectivity to all its citizens.
What is the name of that Yojana? Providing tap water facility. The
Even not
concept
run
is the
Sujal.
concept. Yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am. Sujal.
Sujal Yojana.
Yes, ma'am.
That is water from the tap.
Yes, ma'am.
Drinking water from the tap. The concept is drinking water from the tap.
Yes.
That is the only city in Odisha, Puri, that is covered by the Sujal Yojana first, then it will spread over to the other cities. Okay. Amrendra, what is your hobby?
My hobbies are actually gardening.
Gardening.
Yes.
Okay.
Tell me, what is the role of migration in spreading recent pandemic?
Yes, yes, sir. Actually, migration is a major issue in rural India. When any contaminated person traveling from one place to another, and the people through which he will be interacted, definitely the number of cases of COVID will increase. And the mostly are the migrated persons in our country.
Recently, what do you find? The internal migration or external migration was responsible?
In my opinion, sir, both the migrations are responsible for the spreading of COVID. But
In fact, why internal migration occur in India?
so the first thing I would say the rural agrarian crisis and the lack of job opportunity in rural areas, as a result of which most of the youth migrate toward the industrial center, just like industrial developed area like Maharashtra, Delhi and Chennai.
Do you think if we have closed the international flights,
Yes,
then we don't have a spread of pandemic?
To some extent, I would say, to some extent,
To some extent, it was controlled. No?
yes.
Okay. Then why we say that origin of pandemic was in China?
Yes.
Now, why more deaths occur in Italy?
Sorry, sir, I think I don't have adequate knowledge.
Okay. Now tell me the highly flood-prone rivers in Odisha.
So basically the Portland district
Flood-prone rivers.
rivers, some Mahanadi and Subarnarekha and Brahmani.
Why Brahmani is highly flood-prone?
Sorry, sir. I think
Sir.
Okay. Amarendra, what is your this second time appearing in the board?
yes.
What is your feeling? How you felt that you have improved your level of confidence and then preparations?
Yes.
What is your reading of yourself?
So I think my answer speed is a little high.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No problem. Anything more?
I think agrarian crisis, how should I answer the agrarian crisis specifically and Afghanistan issue? I think I don't have exact ଜାଣିପାରୁନଥିବ କେମିତି exactly answer କେମିତି କରିବି?
No, agrarian crisis in Afghanistan.
ଏଇ ଦିଟା issue ସାର୍ basically
अच्छा, so the crisis.
Okay. If you want to give a little bit of feedback, madam,
हाँ, sir. Amarendra, you are responding to the answers, but while giving the figures and facts, be accurate. Because in Mamata Yojana, it was 1,500 rupees that is being transferred to the pregnant woman's account. You told that it's 500, okay? That's no problem. 500. But while also telling the significance of the Puri, Sujal Yojana just recently introduced in the Puri. But the more significant point is it is famous for Lord Jagannath and for Car Festival, which is also famous in the entire globe, in the entire world. And it is the main pilgrimage center of all the Hindus. And it is also one amongst the four dhamas. So four dhamas in Hindu philosophy. There are many things relating to the temple, Lord Jagannath. While in Avada scheme, people are getting by e-booking also they can get the prasad of the Lord Jagannath, called Avada. So you should be meticulous while talking because Puri has a tremendous significance so far as the Hindu is concerned. And another thing also, little bit you should aware of the some of the government programs when I tell about the health, you just started from the PDS. PDS is for the food security program. You started from the PDS. PDS is providing the foods to the BPL families, 1 rupee per rice or per wheat as per the requirement of 5 kg per persons. Per person if they are coming under the BPL families. So health sector, when I asked you very pertinently and particularly to answer on the health sector, because I will take the initiative for more numbers of the posting of the doctors, because sometimes the doctors are reluctant to serve at the village areas. They are just liking more to stay at the Cuttack, Bhubaneswar and city areas. So I look, there are good number of the posting, and some of the new establishment of the hospitals having the modern technologies, modern equipment for testing, that generally the rural hospitals do not have the testing facilities, suppose scanning facilities, MRI facilities, some of the eco facilities. Even some of the hospitals do not have the specialized doctor like heart, like your orthopedic, like your even mental illness. There is a very few number of psychiatrists doctors in the hospitals, only in the city hospitals or district headquarter hospital, not in the periphery hospitals. So this is also one issue, so that the rural people get maximum benefits within the vicinity of their hospital. That will be the particular answer. But you just started from the PDS system, okay? These points, you should first listen the question. You can take 1 minute also thinking and just starting the right answer in a right way, okay? Amarendra. Then you have a vision, personality, your garments is good, your dressing is good, posture is good, and be pertinent to the answers. Okay.
Okay, Amarendra, you got tips, and then maybe a little bit add to it. When you are answering, your answers are going little skewed, not exactly coming. There are two reasons. One reason is either you have not understood the question perfectly and started answering, or you are not giving time to think of the answer and then reply. There are two things. So that you have to take care of. So take a minute, take a pause and just try to understand what the board is looking from you. And try to answer from a very overall perspective. Not just like Puri madam asked and you then started with Sujal. Puri has many more things to. That is the central count of Buddhism. Jagannath count is the most important, and many other activities were there. So you have never thought of, although you know it, you know the answer, but you could not speak at that moment. So that is what is the limitation, which you could have spoken if you had thought in the right way. So take some time. And one more thing, when you have to introduce yourself, try to pick up some of the things, because for you the basic difficulty is at the beginning becoming a little bit of crisis for you. So prepare yourself on some of your hobbies and something, some literature or some characters, their writings or something like that. So that during introduction you speak those things, and there will be few questions on that, and that will be the beginning of your interview, and which can pull you little more.
Easy. You will be also easy and yes.
No,
What is your habit, hobby? You have
No, he has not given this.
do you have any hobby?
Yes, sir.
Amarendra?
I am into gardening now.
Okay, garden.
But simultaneously, you can also read something. I find interest in this. Hobbies or gardening, all right. But if you want to speak something, go prepared with that and speak something on that. But yes, I read these books. Recently, I have gone through that. Somewhere you connect with that and find out and ask one or two answers that will be coming from the board and make you comfortable. And then everything will move both. Okay. And then don't droop it like this. Sit straight. and try to complete the sentence. Don't break the sentence in between.
Yes.
It is not an objective answer.
Yes, sir.
You are being asked, you are trying to give an objective answer.
Yes.
But it should be a subjective. So your sentence should complete.
Yes.
Okay, take care of this. I
Okay,
think we
Amanda,
will-
wish all the best.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks. Namaskar.